Welcome back to a new Hobbii granny square tutorial. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to make the Hobbii sunflower granny square. What I love the most about these is that they're very versatile, that you can actually customize them to your liking and style, and they can be turned into absolutely everything. So let's get started and have some fun. We are starting off with actually making a magic ring, and if you're not familiar with this technique, please practice it, as it can get quite tricky to actually get it right the first time. We can start the first round now, and we are going to chain 3, which is an equivalent to 1 double crochet. There we go. And now we're ready to actually make 16 double crochets into the ring. After you've made these 16 double crochets into the ring, you are going to slip stitch in the 3rd chain. And let's have a closer look how you make this. So you yarn over, put your crochet hook through the ring, and then you pull through 2 loops and pull through the next 2 loops, and that's 1 double crochet. And let's fast forward that so that it's done a little faster for the purpose of this video. And now we are ready to slip stitch in the 3rd chain. There we go. And we're gonna cut that one off, snippity snap. And we're going to attach our new color, which in this case is this beautiful orange. And then we are going to chain 3. And now it's time for some fun. We're going to go in the same stitch, and we're going to make 2 incomplete double crochets. There we go. And then pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 petal. And now in the next stitch, we're actually going to make 3 incomplete double crochets, and at the end pull through all 4 loops. We're going to go again. 2 loops, 1, 2, 3. So one more time. Yarn over and go in the same stitch. There we go. And pull through all 4 loops now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. A 2nd petal. And we actually repeat this a total number of 15 times. When we get to the end, we're simply going to slip stitch in the 3rd chain to join our little cluster of petals. And you should have a number of 16 double crochet clusters, or 16 petals. There you go, slip stitch in the 3rd chain, boom, and we're ready to move on to our next color. Woohoo! For round 3, we're going to pick a beautiful green. I'm going to attach that to the yarn, and then we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're ready to make 3 incomplete treble crochets between the double crochet clusters that we created in the previous round. We are going to chain 2 and make 4 incomplete treble crochets between the double crochet clusters. Yarn over twice, go in the chain space, pull through 2 loops, another 2, yarn over twice, same chain space, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over twice, go in the same chain space, pull through 2, through another 2, and then one more time, because it's 4 incomplete trebles. There we go. And now pull through all 5 loops. We're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and then repeat this 15 times, always in the next chain space, or the space between the double crochet clusters that we created in the previous round. You should have a total number of 16 treble crochet clusters. Now when you get to the end, we are going to slip stitch in the 4th chain, snippity snap that color off, and now we're going to start our 4th round by chaining 3. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to make 2 treble crochets in that same chain space. There we go. And another one. So yarn over twice, go in the same chain space, pull through 2 loops, another 2, and the last 2. We're gonna chain 2 now. 2, and another 3 treble crochets in that same chain space, and this will give us our first corner. Let's yarn over and make 3 double crochets in the next chain space. There we go, another one. In the next chain space, we're going to be making 3 half double crochets. There we go, 1, 2, and 3. And in the next chain space, we're going to go back to making 3 double crochets. And we're ready for another corner. That means that we're going to make 3 treble crochets, chain 2, and 3 more treble crochets. And we are going to repeat this 3 times. And by this, I mean 3 double crochets in the next chain space, 3 half double crochets in the next chain space, 3 double crochets in the next chain space, and then the corner, which is 3 treble crochets, chain 2, and 3 treble crochets in the next chain space. So that is 3 corners. After you repeated this 3 times, we will actually do 3 double crochets in the next chain space, 3 half double crochets in the next chain space, and 3 double crochets in the next chain space. You slip stitch in the 3rd chain, and your gorgeous sunflower granny square is ready. So that's awesome. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. If you love our Hobbii content, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. All right, see you next time.